In this video, I will show you how to use Mostbet promo code in Pakistan. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you find this video helpful. So if you're in Pakistan and want to use a Mostbet promo code, what you have to do is to click on register, choose the email option. The first step is choosing a country to Pakistan. So you come over here and search for Pakistan. So here is Pakistan. Our currency is also going to be converted to the Pakistani, and at the top of your screen here you can see the bonus you can win in Pakistan. So you go ahead, put in your email, the right email address, and put in your password. In the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code Renzo TV. So if you use the promo code Renzo TV, Mostbet is going to give you up to 65,000 Pakistani currency. And once you do that, click on confirm to apply the promo code. Once you click on confirm and add your email and password, the next thing you have to do is just go ahead and register your account. After registering your account, go ahead and complete your first deposit, and I'll recommend your first deposit should be more than $10. If you deposit an amount more than $10, you're going to receive your first deposit after using the most pay promo code in Pakistan. Like and subscribe to the channel if you find this video helpful.